Today guys, we will feed this cat. She don't want it because this is just the beautiful food. It's tasty. And she's gonna eat it, see? She takes the food. And let's try it. It's real delicious, you guys. This cat is eating it too. She's gonna hide in there. Can you open this?
Okay. Pakantak na pusa.
No, I will eat it. But she did not finish that one. Okay. It's tasty, right? Ah, jipping nakasta.
Baka na.
So let's try it. So let's give it testing.
See this two little fellow? It's eating it. You look at that cat. This cat is really nice.
It's so delicious.
We give it a food. It's really nice. It come like that. It come.
Lemon.
Allah. It come batit.
Good job.
Oh. Look at that beautiful cat. Now it's time for Mobby for ASMR. What? ASMR. You're welcome.
It's so good, guys.
Yeah, it's really good. It's delicious. Like, I mean,
My mom gave this to us.
even the cat likes it. Even the cat likes the food. Even me likes the food.
Even
Even
me.
Mobby likes the food. The cat likes the food.